Hello, it's Anna. Today we are going to make a haul video. Thank you for checking in.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
I got a very big box. Yeah, it's huge and also it's pretty heavy. So let's just find out what is inside. Actually, I know already what's inside, so I would like to show you as well.
You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
Olive oil. Some kind of dangerous stuff is coming. This is my lie. It's very dangerous, but it's a nice one. Castor oil. I will show this one and this one. Just a few seconds. Mandel. Okay, so the rest is just a few palm oil, and basically I would like to make a video of the palm oil since I know what's the new situation about the palm oil, and I want to talk about it, but I will do that later because so right now I don't want to talk about it, but I'm just showing you I have palm coconut oil. This time I have already ordered so many things which I really need. I have plans. What will I do and how will I do it? Everything is planned this time because earlier I just did, I want to have this one. It was craziness, but right now I'm seeing it clearly what's my point, so it's real nice. So I ordered exactly the amount which I want to make. Okay, I already show you the oils and the live oil. Let's open these two bad boys. Do you like this kind of videos like haul? So, it smells amazing. I'm so happy about this. I'm not sure in English, but this goes to lip balm, lip gloss only. So smaller size. It's 5 milliliter. This one is chewing gum.
I ordered this because I'm obsessed. It's amazing.
It's not that sweet. It's
It's totally bring back the memories. So it's amazing. I can't wait to use this one.
okay. So I have coconut. Ooh.
Yes, it's good.
Vanilla
It's okay.
and strawberry. So it's like I ordered the basics.
And some extra for my taste, which is the chewing gum. So I hope I didn't ruin anything just by opening it. So it's crazy. I love it.
Goes to my lip glosses. Essential oils. I will make soaps out of it. Vanilla macaron.
Very sweet. Yeah, I would love to eat that.
I have to tell you a story because I made once soap which was really nice, which just looks like a cake, and I just woke my husband and I just show it to him, and he wanted to take a piece, he wanted to eat it. Coconut.
Coconut, but that's not coconut. Or is it?
Forest fruits.
On the berries? It's
All the essential oils which belongs to the soap smells like soap. That's baby powder, so
we'll see yeah, this one is the same. I did have this one before.
And it's really clean and powdery. It would be really nice for just a natural soap. Yeah, and lavender. It's good. Yeah, all these things which I bought, it brings me so many memories. It was a really nice haul.
I'm really happy that I have my oils with me.
From 2022, I will build this channel. I will do soaps, as I told you in my previous video, and I switched the language. So right now I will do all my social media, and of course the YouTube I will do it in English. We will see if it's a good decision or not. But I believe I will find my people out there in the whole world, and yeah, I hope we can get in touch, and then we can just have a great community. So please join the club. I would like to make YouTube videos every Wednesday, so please keep watching and please subscribe. I hope you will like this video. That was just a quick review. Keep watching, please subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
Mandel oil.